How to crop an image in Google Docs. Select your image, then you will see some image options and also a crop tool. Select the crop tool to see those black cropping bars all around the image. Simply click on one and pull it inside. You will crop out this gray out part. So you can adjust the image, and when you are ready to confirm this new crop, just click outside once, and here it is. Keep in mind, the cropping is non-destructive. The image is still there, it's just hidden. So for example, if you send this or invite somebody to this file, they can click here as the editor and they can uncrop the image. They can click reset image and they will see the whole picture. So just keep that in mind if you want to, let's say, hide some sensitive info this way. And if you give the editable file in Google Docs, they can still undo it and they can see that sensitive info. If you want to give them the file they cannot edit, don't forget to export file and export as a PDF, let's say. Alright, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.